Just going to make a quick video because I've seen quite a few posts on forums about this generation of truck having no crank, no start issues. This is a 2011 Silverado 5.3 liter with an automatic transmission. So the first thing you're going to want to check is your crank relay. It's underneath here, which this was kind of an interesting one. I replaced the relay with a new one and it cranked for about 2 more days. I'm going to show you what I found with it. And then it stopped again. So just check, go ahead and you can ground out. This is going to be a negative sense relay, so if you put a ground to your ground pin on this relay and the engine cranks, you know your starter's good. That's a quick, easy way to do it, or you can just jump your starter. To do that, you're going to want to go through the passenger side footwell here, pardon me, wheel well. And you can reach in there and get the tire off, and you can reach down in there and jump your starter. If it cranks, then you know that it's going to be a signal wire either from that relay to the starter, or else it's going to be a little bit further up line. But if you've replaced your relay and it's cranking, if you got a scan tool, you can try and force a command, see if it'll start with that. That'll eliminate your ignition switch and things like that. So other thing is you've got your ground to the engine right there. You can see that I've put some fluid film on it, cleaned all that up. Goes right up to the battery, so that's your clean ground to the engine block. So what I ended up finding with this one, it would click for a while. Like I say, changed the relay, it started for a couple days, then it would just click like it wasn't getting voltage to the starter. Jump the starter, it cranks fine. So it was a problem it was something to do with control. I could tell just by the symptoms of it. And basically what I found is this pink wire right here that I've done a repair on. You can see that it looks green down there. That's how much corrosion it had. So I saw that it looked corroded and I just pulled it, and it pulled right off. As soon as I soldered a piece in there and sealed it up, it started to crank again. So this is a pink and white wire, so that's going to be control to your cranking relay there. And I believe that if you have a bad ground to this relay, that it's not going to crank. So you can check your ground on that, ground it out and see if it cranks. If that doesn't help it, then you got a power problem. So I've seen some posts saying they only had 1.4 volts to the control on this relay. And if that's the case, then the voltage coming out of the ECM, you've got a high resistance somewhere and it's not getting enough voltage. And this pink white wire, I don't know, I never even took the plug out of the ECM because I found this first. But check your connections in your ECM, could be corroded. But this is pink and white coming out of here. Check that wire and make sure that you've got continuity from here, from this plug up to your relay control, and then hopefully that'll solve your problem. Because I've seen a few different posts I've been reading about this, and it seems like a pretty common problem with these trucks. So there you go. Fixed it, starts fine. Hope this helps somebody.